Good morning from Bangkok. This morning we're coming out to have a look at the ARABICA Coffee shop, which is on the 55th floor of the Empire Building here in Bangkok, which is that one right there, 5 towers of it. But we've just got off at the Chong Nongsi BTS station. I'm going to go up and see what all the hype is about. Apparently it's got a nice view from up there, and it's cheap apparently. Not quite.
Well, it's not in your budget.
It's out of my budget, but we'll go and have a look, see what's going on. But you can see straight through, I don't know if you can see the gold top there, the Labuan State Building. It's made famous by the Hangover movie. We're headed here into the M space. I'm guessing this is the way to get in. We haven't been here before, so let's see if we can find our way through. Oh, that looks cool. It already looks flash in here. Obviously a lot of office workers in here. And it's 20 to 12, so getting close to lunchtime. This would look cool when it's raining. Quite good standing here when it's raining. Yeah.
Trying to find this one.
Yeah, touch that. Thank you. Oh, this is very cool, isn't it? Wow.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful.
We had trouble finding it. We had to go down that elevator and you look for the EA. Thank you. Well, we've made it up here and it's actually quite busy, yeah. No chance of getting a seat today by the look of it. Get a good view of the King Power Mahanakhon Building there. So that was our quick look at ARABICA in the Empire Building in Bangkok. What do you reckon? You reckon it's worth going up to have a look if you're visiting? It wasn't too bad, it was a nice view up there.
It was beautiful.
Yeah. Not the cheapest, but yeah, the experience going through the lift and that was pretty cool. So yeah, that's us for this one and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.